This story could have been a heartwarming tale. Global superstar BTS Jimin lent a large sum of money to a famous Korean comedian whose mother was battling cancer. However, this comedian squandered the money on gambling. Then a citizen reported Jimin to the National Tax Service. What is going on in the Korean entertainment world? This is your attorney, Jiwon Lee. There's a recurring scandal in the Korean entertainment industry. Gambling. This time, a well-known comedian has been caught up in gambling scandal involving tens of billions of won, that's millions of dollars. Comedian Lee Jin-ho admitted to illegal gambling as soon as the news broke. It's reported that he borrowed a total of 2.3 billion won over several years from loan sharks and acquaintances. The issue is that he recklessly borrowed money from fellow entertainers. BTS Jimin also lent 100 million won to Lee Jin-ho. Other celebrities, including comedian Lee Soo-geun, singer Young Tak, singer Ha Sung-eun, and TV network executives, PDs, and writers, also lent Lee significant amounts, some up to hundreds of millions of won. One entertainer reportedly lent as much as $500,000. Lee Jin-ho borrowed from his colleagues, saying things like, "I urgently need money due to family matters, and I need to pay taxes." Yes, gambling is illegal for Koreans. Koreans can only gamble at government-run places like the Gangwon-Land Casino. You know what else is allowed? Lotteries, bullfighting, horse racing, boat racing, and cycle racing only. All other forms of gambling are illegal. Therefore, Lee Jin-ho will face a fine of less than 10 million won or up to 3 years in prison for habitual gambling. Wait, what about the casinos in major hotels? Only foreigners are allowed to gamble there. Some people ask if online gambling is legal for foreigners, but it is not. Online gambling is illegal for everyone, and both Koreans and foreigners who use these services are subject to punishment, so be careful. A strange thing is that a citizen reported to the National Tax Service claiming that since Lee Jin-ho cannot repay the money, it should be considered a gift and that Jimin should pay gift tax. The argument goes like this: because Lee Jin-ho lacks the ability to repay, it's essentially a gift, making the loan subject to gift tax. Since Lee cannot pay, the citizen argues the celebrities who lent the money should bear a tax burden. However, this claim is almost baseless. Gift tax is typically paid by the recipient, in this case, Lee Jin-ho. Even if the loan were to be recognized as a gift, Lee Jin-ho would be responsible for paying the tax. The person making this claim is arguing that since Lee Jin-ho cannot pay, the lenders should share the tax responsibility. In fact, money exchange can be considered a gift and subject to gift tax between family members. Financial transactions between third parties are generally not considered gifts. In particular, if a written loan agreement exists or even a verbal promise to repay by a certain date, it's seen as a loan, not a gift. Usually, loans between acquaintances are not seen as a gift, and Lee Jin-ho likely didn't declare the money he borrowed as gifted assets. Fortunately, Jimin also issued a loan contract when lending the money, so it is highly unlikely to be seen as a gift. Therefore, Jimin is not subject to gift tax. On October 15, 2024, Lee Jin-ho suddenly confessed on his social media, "I started playing games on an illegal gambling site by chance in 2020 and ended up with debts that I couldn't handle. I'm sincerely sorry." In a legal perspective, that's really a smart move. He exactly knew what he was doing, because if you confess a crime before a police investigation begins, it counts as voluntary surrender, which can significantly reduce your sentence in the end. However, it's worth noting that this statement was released immediately after a news outlet inquired with his agency SMCNC about his gambling and debt issue. So this raises a lot of suspicion why he confessed. This is your attorney, Jiwon Lee. Thanks for watching.